Hey everyone, Johnny Red here from Transparent Traders. Hope everybody's having an awesome weekend, awesome week. So today we're going to talk about stock ticker AMD. We're going to get into the price level breakdowns that I'm looking at. Last two times this is alerted on the TT Blackbox is alerted bullish. So I'm looking at the bullish move for how I would trade this, but we'll go over those price breakdowns and levels for bullish and bearish that I would look at. So let's get those TradingView charts pulled up and we'll go from there. All right, everybody, we got AMD pulled up on the TradingView charts, and as you can see, I kind of got everything marked up, and we got about 45 days worth of stock trading pulled up. So we're going to look at this last month. Basically, that's where I'm going to get my price levels. Most people know by now that I trade off repetitive price action. That's how I like to find my levels. I don't really use any of the other technical indicators. I like to use the breakout line, the swing trading breakout lines from Transparent Traders, and I'll like to use RSI just to kind of see if it's overbought, oversold, what we're looking like. So for the bearish side of this, you can see that over the last week, it's been coming down here trying to test this one high 118 range. So if I was to enter this bearish, or this decided to turn from going bullish over the last week and a half to bearish, I'd be looking for a break below 118.28, and then just based off of the last kind of couple of weeks, just the next range I'm seeing from where once it got below 118.28, it had a lot of trading around this 115.60 line, and when it was below it, it kept on trying to test it to get back above it, as you can see on this area of the chart right here. So my first target would be 115.60, and then of course at the bottom range of that, where it tested so many times before it could finally break through each time, is at 112.93. But we're going to get into the bullish side, and you can pretty much see we kind of closed after hours out on Friday at 123.31. I'm looking to enter bullish at the 125.25 range, and that's based off, you can see where it's traded the last week. It kind of tested it, never could get above it. Back here, when it was up in this range before, when it broke down, it tried to test it, never could get back above it. So that's where I'm getting my entry from. And then the first target is 128.25. And as you can see, when we were above 125.25, that was a level that it tested several times. And that's the first target. 132.60, same thing. Once it was above 128.25, it tested 132.60, couldn't break it. Same thing here. It tried, once it broke all the way down, it tested it for after hour session, couldn't get above it. Pre-market the next day, it did. Same thing that goes around in here, and we tested it. So then, of course, 137.25, same thing, just it's a level that it repetitively traded between the 132.60 and the 137.25, and that would be the same thing between 137.25 and 140.85. So that's basically my price level breakdown. That's trading off repetitive price action over the last 45 days. Bullish, we're looking at 125.25 with a range target of 128.25 to 140.85. If it does happen to want to break down because of just how the market's trading here recently, we would look for a break entering in at 118.28 with a 115 to 112 range. As always, folks, base hits pad the wallet. Johnny Red out.
Amazingly simple.